TikTok has updated the TikTok algorithm. Have you noticed? Are you seeing low views on your TikTok videos? In this video, I'm going to explain how the TikTok algorithm works and share 2 big TikTok algorithm hacks so that you can grow on TikTok. The reason why people get disappointed about their low TikTok views on TikTok is that they don't understand the TikTok algorithm and they're not doing these 2 simple TikTok hacks that I'm going to share in this video. And failing to make these changes on TikTok means the TikTok algorithm is working against you and it's near impossible to grow on TikTok. Hey friend, if you're new here, I'm Laurie, and on this channel I create a video each week that helps brands and content creators take their brand to the next level on social media. So if you enjoy this type of content and you get a lot of value out of this video, then feel free to subscribe and we can hang out again. Before I share the 2 TikTok algorithm hacks, I've also included a TikTok pro tip in this video as well. I want to explain the TikTok algorithm and how the TikTok algorithm actually works. But before I do, I actually need to let my dog Hank outside because he's just staring at me and staring at the door. All right, I'll let you out. Come on. Okay, so the main goal of TikTok is that they want to attract people to the TikTok app, and then the TikTok algorithm wants to keep people on the TikTok platform. So how does the TikTok algorithm actually work, and how does it do this? Do you like my new water bottle, by the way? I absolutely love the color. When you post a video to TikTok, the TikTok algorithm works by showing your TikTok video to a small group of people on TikTok. And the TikTok algorithm also checks that your TikTok video adheres to their community guidelines. And you can see more about the TikTok community guidelines on their website. If your video meets the criteria of watch time and engagement, we'll talk more about this later, then your video moves from the test phase to phase 1. The 2 TikTok algorithm hacks I'm about to share with you will help you move from the test phase through all the different phases and will give you the best chance to go viral on TikTok. Then the TikTok algorithm will show your TikTok video to a larger group of people on TikTok as you move through all these different phases on TikTok. So really your goal on TikTok is to get your video from the test phase on TikTok and to move through all these different phases so that you give yourself the best chance to go viral on TikTok. TikTok algorithm update number 1, branded hashtag. I just discovered this recently on TikTok and I have to share it with you. If you're looking to grow your personal brand on TikTok, or maybe you want to promote your product or service on TikTok, then you need to create a branded hashtag on TikTok. Here's the thing, to get the TikTok algorithm to work in your favor, then you need to build credibility on TikTok. And one way to do that is by using a branded hashtag. Just like this example here, this is a patisserie brand on TikTok. We can see that they're using their own branded hashtag. And if we click on the branded hashtag on TikTok, just look at how many views their branded hashtag is getting on TikTok. Or you can do exactly what I've done on TikTok and create your own personal branded hashtag. And here's the thing, when you start getting a lot of views on your branded TikTok hashtag, you're ultimately telling the TikTok algorithm that you're a credible brand. And that's one powerful way with how to grow on TikTok. TikTok pro tip, and this is a big TikTok algorithm hack. If you notice that some of your features have disappeared on TikTok, I know I noticed this the other week, or maybe you're just starting to get really low views on your TikTok videos, it might mean that you don't have the latest version of the TikTok app. So one way to check this is just to go to the App Store and search for TikTok and then look and see what version of the app that you have and then work out if you need to update the TikTok app. Do not delete your app. Just check if you need to update the app. I did this the other week and it solved all my issues on TikTok. I'm just going to interrupt my own video. How are you finding it? Are these tips helpful? If you want to learn more about TikTok, feel free to subscribe because I'm working on a lot more TikTok videos to help you grow on the platform. Now let's get back to the video. TikTok algorithm update number 2, TikTok call to actions. Now here's the truth about growing on TikTok. Not only do you need to be creative so you stand out on TikTok from other TikTok videos, but you really need to be using powerful call to actions in all your TikTok videos. But a lot of people make a big mistake when they're adding call to actions to their TikTok videos, and it's this. They add the call to action at the end of their TikTok video. The reason why you want to use a call to action in all your TikTok videos is because you want to encourage people to either watch your video until the end, to follow you, or take action like comment, like, save, or share your TikTok video. And the reason why this is such a big TikTok algorithm hack is because it sends a message to the TikTok algorithm that your video is worth sharing to more and more people on TikTok. And that's a really big way with how you can grow on TikTok. Here's a really big TikTok algorithm pro tip. I posted this TikTok video to TikTok and it reached over 290,000 people, but only 7.8% of people watched the full video. That means if I put my call to action at the end of that video, only a small amount of people would have seen that call to action. So the key takeaway here is that you need to be including your call to action in your TikTok videos at the start of your TikTok videos. Just like this video here, which has included the call to action, wait until the end. If you are using this type of call to action on your TikTok video, just make sure that you are giving some sort of value at the end of the TikTok video. And this is a really powerful way to get the TikTok algorithm to work in your favor because you're encouraging people to watch your TikTok video right until the end and to spend more time on TikTok. If you want to learn how to find the best TikTok hashtags to boost your video views on TikTok, then you might want to check out this video. I share 3 simple strategies with how to optimize your TikTok videos with using TikTok hashtags. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. See you next time.